Master Your English Accent, a practical guide to progress tracking. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an essential aspect of your learning journey, creating a progress tracking system. This system will help you measure how much you've improved in your pronunciation and accent reduction skills over time. First and foremost, let's understand why progress tracking is crucial in your English language learning journey. In essence, it's all about awareness and motivation. Being able to track your progress helps you identify the areas you need to improve and celebrate the progress you've already made. It keeps your learning experience dynamic, engaging, and ultimately, effective. A good progress tracking system is like a personal coach. It should consist of 3 primary components. 1. Consistency. You need to track your progress regularly, say, once a week or month, depending on your schedule. 2. Objectivity. It's essential to have objective measurements. Recording your voice and getting feedback from native speakers or language learning platforms can provide this. 3. Actionability. The data should not just be numbers or ratings. It should lead to actionable insights. That is, you should be able to use it to plan your next steps. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to create your own progress tracking system. 1. Set a schedule. Decide how often you want to track your progress. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly. 2. Choose your material. Pick a text or conversation you want to record. Make sure it's challenging enough to stretch your skills. 3. Record. Using your phone or any recording device, record yourself reading or conversing using the chosen material. 4. Analyze and get feedback. Listen to your recordings and note down the areas you think you need to improve. It can be even more beneficial if you can get feedback from others, especially native speakers. 5. Set goals and practice. Based on your self-analysis and feedback, set goals for the next recording session and practice accordingly. 6. Review and adjust. Review your progress over time and adjust your practice routine if needed. Remember, progress might be slow at times, but don't let that dishearten you. And that's it, folks. This is how you can set up your very own progress tracking system for English pronunciation and accent reduction. It's not an overnight process, but with consistent effort, objectivity and assessment, and actionable insights, you can continuously improve and master the English language. Thank you for joining us in today's session, and we hope you found this helpful. Keep practicing, keep recording, and remember, every bit of progress counts. Until next time, happy learning!